Good morning, children. Mine, M-I-N-E, mine, would have heard. We use the term, this is mine. That means, idi nadi, this is mine. M-I-N-E. Another one, M-I-N-E, mine means where the minerals are available. Do you have what are minerals? Under the earth, we get that some materials, metals, materials and all, naturally we get. That place is called mine. From that mine, what we are doing, we are extracting is called mining. What we are extracting is called minerals. So, the metals and the materials which we obtain means we get. O-B-T-A-I-N, obtain means we get. Naturally, we are not making. Naturally, they are forming. That is from under the earth. These are called minerals. The metals and materials which we obtain naturally from under the earth is called minerals. These minerals are two types. One is renewable type, another one is non-renewable type. We know the word new, N-E-W, new. Opposite old. New. Renew, again we can make it. Renewable, the resources which can be regenerated. We can make it again. Now wood, like example wood. If you cut the tree, again the tree grows, again you get the wood. So that is renewable source. Non-renewable, the resources which are not possible to regenerate. We cannot make it again. Most minerals are non-renewable only. Example, coal, petroleum, manganese, gold, silver and all. So non-renewable minerals. They are very limited only. We don't know how much it is available. We should not overuse, we should not exploit it. So we have to leave it for the future people, generation. If we take Telangana, our state, in Telangana also many minerals are available. It is a house of various minerals. Iron ore, coal, manganese, marble, granite, these are all available in Telangana. From Telangana, marbles, you would have seen that marble floor we are using at floor. Even Shah Jahan, Mahal ruler, he used marbles to construct the Taj Mahal. Marbles are exported from Telangana. We are exporting, selling to China and Southeast Asian countries. Southeast Asian countries. Only the state we have coal deposit, COAL, coal deposit, where in southern India, only Telangana has a coal deposit more. Where it is available, Singareni Collieries Company. We will see in our next class where is the Singareni located, and we are going to visit that place and we come to know how that coal is extracted. In this mining, when we are doing that mining, extracting the minerals, open cast mining, underground mining. Open cast mining means we are blasting. Now when we dig underground, rocks will be there. So it is not much easy to dig the ground. So they blast it and remove the like granites and all. That is called open cast mining. Next one is underground mining. Underground mine, that is we build underground tunnel to go, the route, tunnel we build, and for the mining purpose we build. And deep tube wells also we use it to get the crude oil or natural gas. Crude oil, natural gas, that is we extract crude oil, then we are purifying. That crude oil, natural gas, we have to extract means we are using the tube well. And drilling in the seabed, under the water also, under the ocean also minerals are available. Example, if you visit Bombay, Bombay High is a place. Bombay is a western part in India, near Arabian Sea coast. So there, in Bombay High, they drill to the sea, on the seabed, and they are extracting the petroleum. And a mineral, they need more water also to wash. Once we are extracting gold, silver, manganese, like that, when we are taking the minerals, to cleaning purpose, we need more water. So water expenditure will be more in the mining. And that is, we are using that water to wash it. Farmers, when they have that agricultural land, suppose that minerals are available in that land, means they have to lose that land only. That is unavoidable circumstance. To leave their lands, it gives, but mining gives employment opportunity. Accidents are also common, and when the workers inhaling, they may inhale the poisonous substances, and which cause long-term health damage. So what are minerals and non-renewable and renewable, and in Telangana what we are doing, and next period we see about the Singareni collieries. And two types are there: open cast, that is blasting, and underground mining. And minerals, no doubt, giving employment opportunity, but some disadvantages, they may that long-term health damage may happen. Here I am stopping this video. Next video we visit the Singareni colliery.